And how's your wrap snack? Can you turn the bottle this way so that the YouTube viewers can see? Fetty Wap, honey jalapeno. How are they? Is this your first time having them? This flavor? Would you recommend them to your friends? Okay, YouTube, you heard it here first. Aaron would recommend these wrap snacks to his friends. Is this the most delicious chip you've ever had? Uh-oh. That doesn't seem like a glowing recommendation. Can I have one? Is it very spicy?
Mm-mm.
Because I don't like spicy food. Oh, that is good. Not very spicy. I taste the sweetness. Not too much heat.
They taste like the honey barbecue ones.
Yeah.
Why you say you never had the honey barbecue ones?
Oh, honey barbecue wrap snacks? Oh, I thought you meant honey barbecue chips in general. And now that the chip is gone, I can taste it. Bless you. Bless you.
Can you stop recording, please?
This is for the YouTube viewers. I want them to have the full experience. Oh, I guess if you eat more than one, the heat really sneaks up on you. I was just gonna say I can taste a little bit of the
stop
heat
recording.
tickling my throat. But
No, it's
not
tickling
bad.
it's tickling my nose.
Oh, okay. So I'll stop now with mine. I don't want to start sneezing. Apparently, wrap snacks make you sneeze. You heard it here first. Wrap snacks make you sneeze.